In this video, I will put myself in intense training to learn the skill pen spinning. For the first skill, I learned thumb around. Theory is pretty simple. You need to spin the pen around your thumb and hold it again in the same initial position. We need to hold the pen in between three fingers, thumb, index and middle. Then we have to push the pen with the middle finger while also releasing the index finger so it doesn't block pen from spinning. The next part was difficult, as you need to understand how much force to apply to spin the pen around the thumb. Too much force make the pen fly away, while less force will not spin the pen. Then keeping this in mind, all you need is practice. After about 12 minutes, I did my first thumb around, and after a few more minutes of practice, I was able to do it easily. The trick here which helped me was slightly focusing on curving the thumb and also releasing the index finger at the same time to allow the spinning of the pen. I also tried with my left hand. It only took me about 25 minutes to learn this. It was really fun and challenging. The second skill I wanted to learn was Sonic, but then I realized I had this. So I reached out to Apple to sponsor this video. Unfortunately, they didn't. To do Sonic, for the start, the pen is placed in between the ring finger and the middle finger. Then the pen does a full rotation and goes behind your middle finger and changes its position to middle finger and index finger, while the tip of the pen comes to the starting position. Just like theory, the whole trick was very difficult. But then I realized to learn Sonic, I need to learn another trick called charge, which was pretty simple. To learn charge, you need to start same as the Sonic, but only difference here is the pen will do a full rotation only between middle finger and ring finger. To make it easy, I divided charge into two parts. First was to keep the tip of the pen behind your thumb like this. Then, by expanding your middle finger and the ring finger, the tip of the pen snaps out, giving it a swing. Now, as the pen is in the motion, you need to relax the finger and move it up and down. So putting everything together, it looks like this. Trust me, it sounds confusing, but in reality, it's very confusing. I had problem to learn Sonic as I was not able to bend my middle finger at the right moment to catch the spinning pin with the index finger. I kept practicing again and again for the whole day, and I finally gave up as Sonic was really difficult and I was really tired. I decided to watch Demon Slayer to relax and not think about Sonic. Then I realized Tanjiro is so amazing. He trains so hard to fight against the demons and never give up on his sister who is turned into a demon. And at that very moment, I realized that my brain was trying to find easy way out to not learn Sonic. So I kept practicing and finally this happened. The whole experience of learning something new is so amazing and challenging. Your brain will try to find 100 reasons for you to stop and do something easy and comfortable. But if you keep practicing and pushing, you can learn any skill.